everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I thought Charlie should make a special appearance today. He's got his summer haircut going, and he just can't wait to get away from me. Good boy, Charlie. I'll let you go now, puppy. Bibi kind of lurks around during my videos, but Charlie goes and hides under the couch. Whew, it's hot today. So I have an unboxing for you. Another diamond painting. And I can feel it's in a nice box. This box took a beating. Thank goodness for these nice boxes. They really protect the contents. Okay, put that in my garbage pile. I hope everybody's having a really good summer. Here in Southern Illinois, it is hot. I'm from New Jersey. I've never lived with this kind of heat. It's oppressive. And yesterday we got these crazy storms. All right, did I miss the toolkit? I don't see it. Maybe it's inside here. No, maybe it's in the box. Okay, this is a beautiful outdoor scene. It's 35 by 45, which is a really nice kind of intermediate size. You know, it's not a huge, here's the toolkit. A huge 60 by 80, but it's not a 30 by 40 either. Very nice standard toolkit. White boat with a funnel. I really like these ones. I use them for trash. I don't use them like you normally would. Single placer pink pen, tweezers, pink wax, and some bags. Very nice. So here's a package of drills. They just stuck them all in here and then fold it in half. Full drill round. I see a lot of this like mustardy color in here. So it's making me think this is a... Oh yeah, there's blues and purples, but there's also a lot of different yellows and golds. So that's nice. That'll be a lot of fun. Here's the thumbnail image. You can kind of get a thing, and I will put the picture up for you so you can see what the image was originally. Let's peel the paper off the canvas and see how this looks. Again, it got some creases, but just like the last one. But I think it'll be okay. I don't sweat. I don't sweat the small stuff. What do they say? And it's all small stuff. Oh, it's ripping. Just the very edge of it is ripping. Peel that side first then. You want to be careful you don't get this stuck to itself or drop anything on it. I've dropped these plastic bags on there before. I'm going to have to peel down from the top to get that off. Gosh darn it. That's not a good thing to say. I mean, oh shoot. I'm not a big swearing girl. Mind you, I do it. When I'm mad, I cuss like a sailor. But I gotta be pretty mad, and I don't. I use it very sparingly when I'm arguing with people. I just don't think it's a very attractive trait on me, and would rather people not think of me like that. Funny, my mom can really let loose when she's mad, and my dad never swears. Boy, this is really not wanting to let go. I wonder if the heat and the humidity has anything to do with it. I'm afraid I'm gonna mess up the adhesive. Oh, there it is. I got it. All right. When it starts to rip, you need to go at it from a different angle. I mean, that works every time for me. But then when you rip it again from another angle, it can get a little frustrating. This is really, really, really sticky. Like the stickiest I've ever felt. So it's a beautiful park scene. Hope you can see that, with a tree and a lake and the sun setting and beautiful colors. Very serene. This is going to be nice to work on because it's just so pretty. I love working on real pretty ones, and as they come together, it just makes me so happy. Let me put this piece down. I don't worry too much about the paper. It's not going to hurt anything if it's not all completely stuck to every section. I just want to make sure the sections are covered, because dust is the enemy. Dust and dirt. You know, that's why I put them all safely away in my closet where nothing can get at them. Puppies can't get at them, so I don't have any problems. This will be a fun one to see how it comes out. Maybe one of these years I'll get to it. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys like my diamond paintings. All the information is in the description. Link on where you can buy it if you like it. What else? Link to our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun in there. We have a monthly contest, and everybody shares their works in progress. It's pretty cool. I like it. And I love all the people that I'm meeting. So if you want to talk to me, come on in the Facebook group. Send me a friend request. I try to answer all my mail and answer the comments. Make sure I at least read them all. It's getting to be a big job. But, yeah, that's it. You have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.